Hi viewers, I am Dr. Vipin Mishra. I am a consultant endocrinologist in Zuleika Hospital, Dubai. We all know that health is the most important aspect of our existence because everything else depends upon health. Everybody is interested in good health. We all want that we should enjoy a long life. Today I am proposing to you a health program. It's a unique health program which I call the program of effortless health. In the beginning, you might even feel that I'm talking of something contrary to the usual wisdom, because till now you have always been told about performing a lot of things to achieve good health, and here I am telling you that you do whatever you feel like doing. You eat whatever you feel like eating, and you live your life the way you feel like living, and this will give you maximum health and maximum longevity. So in the beginning, you will feel very weird about this idea, whether the idea is going to work or not. But I will explain in sessions to come how it works. And this is the only way an ideal health could be achieved. If we look around us, then we see that in this whole world, there is a general phenomena of effortless health. All other species except human beings, they are healthy just like that. They eat what they feel like eating. They live a life the way they feel like living, all animals and birds, and they lead a full life, a healthy life. They never need doctors, and they never fall sick. If you make a Google search on the natural occurrence of diseases in animals and birds, then you will not find anything, because the so-called lifestyle diseases, the chronic diseases like diabetes, hypertension, cardiovascular diseases, they just don't occur in animals and birds. They live healthy just like that. Disease is a very important and very unique human phenomena. Only human beings fall sick. Now, if you look more closely about how things happen in human life, then we see that in our lives, everything is happening effortlessly according to some programming. A person is born without any free will. After birth, the person knows that now he is born. He gets a body, the type of body that he gets because of a programming. He has no control over that. Then during his whole life, things are happening effortlessly. He grows up, he becomes tall, he becomes powerful effortlessly. He has got a certain IQ. On the basis of that, he achieves things. And when diseases have to occur, diseases always occur according to some program effortlessly. And a time comes when death comes, and that too comes effortlessly. Now we see that everything in our lives is happening effortlessly, and in this life, if we think that only for health we have to make a lot of effort, then this is a big prejudice. It doesn't happen like that. But because we have been always taught that you have to do a lot of things to remain healthy, so there's a strong prejudice has developed, and we tend to do a lot of things in order to get great health, while the truth was that nothing was required. You had to just live your life according to your intuition. You had to just live a life which your inner system told you to live. Now, when I say follow your inner system, that means I'm saying that you don't listen to anybody else. Don't listen to anybody else includes me also. Don't listen to me also. Just listen to yourself. But the way we live, we always listen to others, what others are saying, what the doctors are saying, what the books are saying, what the scriptures are saying. Now, it is very seldom that a person decides to lead a life by his own inner intuition. In sessions to come, I'll explain how it works. I'll discuss every point in great detail. My program is a very elaborate program. It's got two parts. One part is a practical, doable part, which has got 15 points. It's a 15-point health program. And if you want to know about that, you can visit my website, drvipinmishra.com, and you'll get a full description of that. I will discuss each of those points in these videos also. And then the second and very important part of that program is what I call thought therapy. So that I will try to achieve during these sessions on this video. So one by one, we'll discuss different subjects, different topics, and ultimately we aim that your system will change and your system will come to to a stage where diseases cannot enter your system. So what I'm telling you today, that it is possible to transport your body from today, what it is, in whatever situation it is, to that ultimate situation in due course of time, where diseases just don't occur when you are healthy just like that. I hope you will benefit by this program. Thank you.